Hey y'all, it's your boy K-Dog here. I am sitting in Brianna's room here, filling in for Bree because it is time for an unboxing video of our latest Ipsy that has come in. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and see what's in here. See what we got here. All right. First, you'll note the lovely pink bubble packing that it's in. This is very nice. It keeps it safe and stylish. Let's see what we got here. We got, the first thing is it comes in this beautiful holographic carrying case. You don't have to carry your makeup in these. You could carry anything, really. Change, some sandwich meat, whatever you need, really, whatever you need, you could put in here. So let's see what we got. Very, very smooth zipper action. That's nice. Let's see what we've got here. We got a card of some sort in here. Let's see. It's August 2020. The future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. From achieving your glory skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. A whole new world of beauty, valued at $50 plus, is in your hands. Where will you begin? That's the question, really. Where are we going to begin? Well, we begin with the card. But then where are we going from here? Nobody really knows. It has 3 next-level ingredients to try. These buzzy new trends may sound like science fiction, but the out-of-this-world glow they'll give you is totally real. We're not playing here. We are not playing. It has the cryo effect. CBD for strands. It sounds iffy. And mini hyaluronic acid, because you don't want the big hyaluronic acid. You just want the little ones. So get to know your glam bag picks. So this is what we're looking into here. So this is our glam bag. Again, very nice. Let's see what we got here. We got we have I don't know if you can see this well. This is the Numa Creme Lissante, which is a smoothing cream. It comes in this here. I'm not going to use it because it's we only have 1 fluid ounce, and I would not dare waste any of that fluid ounce. So that's the first thing that I have in the bag here. Let's see the next. Here we go. The next thing in the bag is a Lottie of London AM to PM retractable eyeliner. So that's what we have here. This is a retractable eyeliner. Let's see if it. It's got plastic wrap on it, so I won't take that off. So that you, I would, but I thought Brie might want to do that herself. But just for the effect of making it retract, might have been worth it. But we'll move on. Here we have a moisturizing, rich, hydrating balm in watermelon. And this is from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. Can you see this? Here we go. You have to read backwards because I'm using the front-facing camera. So, but there we have that. I'm sure this is this is going to be a big favorite with Brie. I know how much she loves her lip balm. And then let's see. Looks like there's one more thing in our little bag here. Let's see what we got. We have this one comes in its own bubble wrap. You can see it comes in its own bubble wrap. And what I have here is a camo shimmer eyeshadow from Oriza Beauty. So this appears to have some various colors in it. Yep, there you go. And this is the eyeshadow. So there you have it, folks. That's our unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it.